Well, we've had several days of in the 40s here in Andamooka. Today it's decided to spit with rain, but that doesn't stop the water truck from carting water to people. It's a common thing here in Andamooka. I don't know how much it costs for a truckload, but yeah, everybody here I think gets their water carted in a water truck. A bit like it used to be in Cooper Pedy. But it's a much cooler day today. It did get into the 30s, but I'm actually sitting down outside and it's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so just enjoying the weather. You might be able to hear the raindrops on the roof.